My mommy bestest, I'll remember. And when you will do something, I will share this. My mommy bestest.
Because
See, when you are with your people in your...
When you came back to Gurukul Kamakshi, so was there something about the school that you, with a fresh perspective, did you think that there was something which needed to be changed in the school? Was there any notion of this thought?
I think in terms of like the base and the foundation, I think I didn't want to change anything.
Yeah.
If anything, I wanted to sort of bring that back in
Okay.
case we were losing out on things.
Right.
More than anything, I wanted to like remain, like get that stability.
Okay.
Like that should be the same thing. Like that should be uniform.
Yeah.
So, but in terms of any like new things, more to do with like the opportunities being given to the learners or the children,
right.
because I think that is something that people really sought out
These
for.
days.
I think, and especially if I've gone outside, if I've come back, so of course I know what the world is out
Yeah.
there. So, and exactly that is something that the children are going to face, and
Okay.
maybe more than more competition, more peer pressure, more chances to sort of prove
Yeah.
yourself. So I think in terms of more opportunities, whether it's extracurriculars,
Okay.
whether it's just the place that they're also sort of studying in, it should
Right.
never be like, if I know कि अगर मुझे ये था कि I am studying in a small town,
Yeah.
shouldn't be that they are also in the
Also,
same perspective
yeah.
that I am also studying in a small town, so maybe I'm losing out on things.
Right.
So whether it's like small things like public speaking,
Okay.
or maybe new opportunities,
Yeah.
that now that we've introduced the entrepreneurship development
Right.
side, and then whether it's the Atal incubation mission, and so all of these things which sort of help them when they go not only abroad, but
Yeah.
even if they go into other universities.
metropolitans also.
Some children might not want to do
Yeah.
the university, straight away go into the businesses. But
Businesses.
still like something to sort of help them out.
Yeah.
Like specifically in their 11th and 12th, and
Okay.
like 9 to 12.
Yeah.
For young learners, like for example, just that like sort of confidence that why should a grade 4th or 5th grader do something when like even a 2nd or 3rd grader
Could
can do
do.
the same thing.
Yeah.
So whether it's in terms of like competitions or something, so we are still like trying to work on it that they
Okay.
can go and represent the school externally.
Okay.
Why not in Kashipur,
Yeah.
but like other places as well.
Also.
And not only restricting it to like Olympiads and things like that, but more than that, like now we're introducing Vedic mathematics in
Okay.
the school and everything. So just trying to sort of pick on those points that we can sort of strengthen and then take it beyond
Right.
that. So just trying to sort of rebuild and take it on from there. Strengthen, I would say, not even change, but strengthen.
No, but bringing a fresh whiff and air to the infrastructure. So what I had in mind, how
Yeah.
Gurukul should look like,
Okay.
the whole infrastructure to be looking into.
Right.
The moment you come in and you feel, oh, you are moving into Gurukul.
Okay.
So this is also the changes that she's trying to bring in, and we are very, very happy about that.
Yeah, because I think like after a point in time, like
Yeah.
things do become redundant.
Right.
And while of course like keeping the sanctity in mind that this is something, because I do remember mama telling me that these are the places that she, like both mama papa literally stood and got those tiles placed
Okay.
and got those things done. So without sort of taking that soul from
Out
it,
of it, yeah.
giving that Gurukul essence to it,
Essence.
because it shouldn't be like, because we have two campuses, so
Yeah.
it should be that ek to bahut, it's very lavish and it's very great,
हाँ.
and the other one sort of because
Smaller,
like
yeah.
shouldn't get subdued.
Okay.
So while it's a cozy infrastructure,
Yeah.
and we have a reason for it
Yeah.
also, because it's their own comfortable
Right.
space, and we don't want to sort of merge those two worlds. So it should be their own cute space, but when they enter, they should feel like, wow, I'm in a world class school. So they should not be deprived of that.
That is what she brings along. Great, wonderful.
Absolutely.
So very, very grateful for the generation coming back.
Yeah.
And second line of leadership coming into place. One has to prepare, you need to tell them something. With Kamakshi, it was something that it automatically, जल्द आप किसी बर्फ वो पानी को नहीं डाल दिया, उस मोल्ड में चला गया. So ऐसे ही उसमें ना अब it is the other way round. Now that she is there, young generation coming in, get it not I second it. She's the one ideating,
Okay.
and I said, is it okay to do like this? Is it fine? Is it fine? So I feel very nice that how he crafted the whole story,
Yeah.
that he made her intern there,
Right.
looking into how things are happening. And for me, it is something like eating, breathing, walking, sleeping, dancing, jumping. you name it,
Yeah.
and Gurukul follows.
follows.
Is nowhere. Sometimes the family gets a little upset. My God, here also you sit, no? Can this work in Gurukul? Can that
Sometimes we
something?
need a break,
Okay.
but she has no breaks.
That is a passion. And I said later on, we
Yeah.
all will realize it's not that it's not a passion for
Right.
them, but it is actually eating, breathing, drinking, sleeping, swimming, you name any kind of doing word. It is Gurukul for me. I see everywhere Gurukul. How can this be brought? How can this be brought? And but falling and getting the second line of leadership, I believe it is
Great.
something marvelous and something from the family who
Yeah.
knows about it to take that legacy forward.
Forward.
It is meant for greatness.
Yeah. No, like in the beginning, I was like, I did not know how to sort
Yeah.
of, go forward with things. Not like I did not know, but I think it was also very weird, probably for me, because I had studied in the same
Okay.
school. So
And
quite
some
a few
educators are also there who had
taught me.
Okay,
So
so they
now
are there.
coming in on the other side
Ha,
of the table. So I always knew how like she would sort of,
Okay.
because like घर पे रह रहे के इतना तो
हाँ,
सीख ही लिया
हाँ,
था
right.
how she would sort of take things forward. So utna like I had learned.
हाँ.
But I think the part of struggle of me was that how do I take things forward?
Okay.
So it was a little, every time I would sort of take a decision or like I feel that this should be something that should happen. How should I put this forward?
Okay.
Because it would always create like a little barrier for me that
Right.
it's somewhere I've always studied. So it's like I will always be looked at from that lens. So that was a little weird, but I think by now I have settled in, I have found my spot, I know what to do by now.
no, and the capabilities do matter. Going
Yeah.
across, getting exposure,
Right.
Being to Germany, Hong Kong, into good schools from She Educare, working alongside them.
Bringing new perspective.
Bringing new perspectives.
to the school.
So that shows it's not that, and then people also around side see. I take now, think that is always good. The youthful breeze and the
Yeah,
breath,
yeah.
fresh air which comes in, and again, like what you put up a question, that seeing from the other side
Yeah.
and getting another perspective to it was very important, and that Gurukul has got at the right time.
Right.
I think just
So, yes.
besides the perspective also, I think it's just what I have seen the school originally, because I have been a student,
Yeah.
so I know, and I know what was happening in my notebooks, I know what was happening in the school,
Right.
I know with what vision she would go
She
in,
would.
specifically, whether it's like pre-nursery to grade 3, or she would go and she would take decisions. So I think most of my decisions also, sort of try to reflect what
Okay.
the school was authentically supposed to be
Right.
or is supposed to be. So every time sort of I take a decision is this what represents Gurukul, or is
Gurukul or
this
not?
the vision
Yeah.
of Gurukul? So because I've seen how
Yeah.
the ways of function, like the functioning
Right.
is, so I always try to sort of that authenticity should be
Should
there.
be there.
One example was the 20 years of Gurukul. I was waiting for that vision. So this theme was long time back in my mind of Vasudev Kutumbakam. That theme was not a fusion of Western and the
Right.
Indian, and world is one big family on that. So who to understand, how to give it. So when she came this time, I said this is the theme. I told her the entire story that
Yeah.
it has to be of the world wars.
Okay.
We are again standing at the verge of world war.
Right.
World is one big family, then why these wars?
Yeah.
It is not about, at the end of the day, you have any caste, creed, color, whatever. You are that human being that you are,
True.
and that represents the entire existence. She very quickly picked on it. We had a discussion across,
Okay.
and it took forward because she knew exactly what was required and what
Right.
is the vision, what does Gurukul want, ethos over a period of time, how it has been coming in. So even people who we hire outsource from outside, it was becoming difficult for me to make them understand this
Yeah.
is what is required. But she had her own ways. She put it on paper. A script was ready.
Yeah.
And taken backward and forward. Even the outsourced people, the script was ready by her.
Oh.
She made the script of both the campus.
Okay.
So very quickly blending into it and understanding what Gurukul essence is all about. I feel very, very lucky about it. Very
Mama
lucky
gives
and
me too
grateful.
much credit.
No, it is.
Well deserved.
Where credit is due.
Okay, so coming back to ma'am, ma'am, so whenever we are into entrepreneurship and we are building an entity or an institution for that matter, so we never come out on the other side with the same person who's gone in. So we have to evolve, we have to change some of our traits also, even ourselves, to bring out the vision which we've been thinking. So what was that thing about yourself which you had to change or maybe evolve for that matter, that brought Gurukul and it gave Gurukul the leader that you are now?
Thank you for telling me and making me realize it gives me another hat. Evolution is one thing which should be there, that's one, and along with that the change which is constant.
Right.
Over a period of time it becomes a competition with yourself. That you need to evolve, you have to be the best version of yourself, because entrepreneurship, if you do with the right kind of mindset, it truly evolves you. And it brings out the hidden gems which are there inside, because you are struggling with multiple things in your life, be it operations, management, organizing, planning, execution, you name it, and it has to be managed. An entrepreneur can never think that this is not my job.
Yeah, absolutely.
Anything to everything, from the E to the P. So entry, I have always felt entrepreneurship is having the right kind of entry into the ship that you want to sail across in your journey of life.
Very, very well said.
That is entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
So from the E to the P, you should be having like anything you give me, I'm ready to do it.
Okay.
That will bring out the right entrepreneurship skills into you, because E entrepreneurship, E evolution.
Okay.
It does help you evolve. You have to come completely, I will not say shed off your comfort zone. Comfort is nowhere.
Nowhere.
Nowhere. There are no zones called comfort. That is what entrepreneurship in the true essence is all about. It helps you. It's not only evolution, it's experience which gives you. And it should be definitely, I tell everyone, is filled with exuberance. When exuberance is there, life gets into your entry point. And when life is there with you, the journey becomes beautiful. So that is entirely in your hands. People I see now, the world has come for startups. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
That terminology has changed.
Exactly.
Because startup is something not as typical and difficult as what entrepreneurship is.
Was true.
So they have taken a very
small
small
part
part
of
of it
it
and put it into a startup ventures.
Yeah.
It's a big globe out there, and pick up a part that becomes a startup. So evolution definitely takes place once you are there.
Education.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because you're dealing with like humans.
Yeah.
Dynamic, it is dynamism all over. The demographics change. You're dealing with, exactly to your point, of people, humans. And when humans are involved, different mindsets are there.
And I don't even think humans, it's like children, like
Yeah.
right at the foundation stage where children can't even like talk or
They
express.
can't talk.
Oh, yeah.
So handling them specifically,
I've
like,
learnt a
it's
lot.
Like quite a difficult, enriching task also. But I think specifically, I think it's quite dynamic when it comes to education,
Yes,
because
yes.
things change.
And things change. It is not even by the year or so, or by the month. It is by the minutes. Something different. So your mind has to keep on constantly evolving. Lot of reading, lot of understanding, a lot of upgrading yourself is the evolution that takes place. So coming back to the point, is comfort zone should not be there. No comforts. Challenges, face them, move ahead. And you have the right entry point.
That's a teacher talking.
It is in my blood.
Also.
And it is in my blood. It has gone into the veins, into the everywhere. Yes.
Now, has there ever been an incident in your life? I mean, there would have been numerous sorts of these incidents, but some particular one where you wanted something for a particular child and the parents did not want the same thing for the child.
Oh my God.
Any of these?
Oh my God.
So many.
Oh my God, so many. Because the kind of mindset that especially Gurukul wants to go ahead with is the Indian side of it.
Yeah.
And not even Indian to be blended with the global technologies, which is not very easy.
Right.
So getting along the day, we as both, founder and co-founder Neeraj Kapoor ji, when we sat together to understand and we saw the books, I told him, this is not what has to be done. This is not it. And in army school I had seen that. I had a few things very vivid that this is not what is going to happen in Gurukul. And when I saw, I said, no, you can't have turbulent waters.
Yeah.
The journey I waited for 20 years for the parents to agree and believe that whatever I had told them at that point in time is what is actually valuable.
Yeah.
Life has to be lived in a manner that you have to build that up for.
True.
Not these books are not going to give you everything. So they used to come and tell me, ma'am, how many spellings are you telling in KG? I said, how many do you want?
Yeah.
Ma'am, 200 have been told there. I said, 200? Let me see how many I do.
Okay.
Tables are not in KG.
Right.
I said, well, it is a nursery rhyme that I will tell them. When it comes across, I'll tell them the meaning of it. Why do we put that into a table?
Right.
And then it's not a nursery rhyme, 2 ones are 2.
Yeah.
I said, this is not it. To your point, let me just put it up here. It is not what children want. Parents have to upgrade themselves.
Yeah.
Education is right there everywhere. Nature is telling you everything to learn from. We as parents have made our children close their eyes, ears, all their sense organs, whatsoever they might be. We need to open those. So parents have to put in first. So it is not one, it is multiple. It was like which one to strike down at what point of time and keep your way alongside, and the waves to be one side and make your pathway from that ocean is what we have been constantly working upon. When it comes to Sanskrit now,
Yeah.
Sanskrit, where is French and German? I myself, I'm a degree holder in French and would really like to use it. But over a period of time I saw, where am I using it? All that hard work I could have put in somewhere else. Had I to go to Germany, I would have learned German. If I have to go to France, I will learn French. English is a global language. Let me first be a master's at English and Hindi, your two languages that you have to be, and your mother tongue. If you speak Punjabi, ask your children to speak Punjabi at home. 3 languages do come out.
I'd gone to Germany and I don't think I needed the language.
Okay.
I think English was more than enough.
Yeah.
Of course, it's not like I'm going to of course, if you want to work and all, of course the
then
language is
it's-
important.
Like Google Translate is there.
And I think now you have all the
All
means
the-
and possible, unless you want to
Yes.
go into very, very specific roles like sales or marketing, where you need to talk to clients. I think that is where the language is very important. But other than that, I'd given my CVs over there also. Nobody wanted German as a mandatory language.
Okay.
And I'd visited Belgium, Austria, over 8 countries in Europe, and nobody was I didn't feel out of place because I did not know the language.
Okay.
And I understand it's a very big thing, but I think the biggest way to sort of overcome that, first learn English and Hindi properly, and I think post that, once you master the 2 languages, then you can move forward to learning a 3rd language. But I'm barely able to speak in English, but I do want to learn French. How does that work?
That doesn't make sense.
So, but I genuinely, we went to France as well. French is something because of the dynamics of the country, that you do need the language. But unless you again want to go and work over there, I don't think French is that. You can make your way out through English as well. It's very easy.
Every parent-child relationship, there's a shift of dynamics, at some point of time, from mother-daughter, you've also now shifted to being co-partners and colleagues, if I could say.
Yes.
So, how was that change, and how was that conversation that went along with it?
I believe you take the first. That is what, the generations shift.
No, I don't think, I would still not consider myself to be a colleague.
Okay.
In professionally also,
Okay.
and in that sense, I'm still I'm reporting to her.
Okay.
So I think that dynamic still stays, that of course,
definitely.
the thing that she built, so can't sort of, I would not even dream to sort of come on that same level, and not just because, I'm saying this because the camera is right here, but I think just in general also, I don't think I can dream to become
Absolutely.
coming on the same level as her.
True.
So professionally also, professionally also, I think she's still I do report into her, and I'd still take my if something goes wrong, I will be the first person to be accountable for that.
Correct.
But professionally, I think it's been quite like I will take her as a mentor.
Okay.
Like even professionally, personally, everything. Like I do take her as my mentor. So anytime sort of something, if I'm getting stuck with, or if I'm sort of not being able to understand that, you know, this is how things are supposed to go forward. So, you know, I will just quickly sort of either, you know, send her now mail.
It's so different. It's so different, not receiving mails from each other. Yes.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I mean, it's been quite a nice experience. Previously, like, she would teach me, and now, you know, she's telling me how to sort of, you know, go
Okay.
and sort of either I don't sort of teach, but
Yeah.
even if I do interact with the children, how should the interaction be like?
Okay.
You know, how to sort of enrich that experience for the
Right.
children. What do the children in this day and age need? With sort of the vision that we had started the school
Okay.
for. So, itna to matlab I had seen her interacting with the children, but it's been quite nice. I think we do share our mother-daughter moments also in the school.
Oh yes, where we do. And it was not that mask story. Drrr, you become a mother. Drrr, you become the director. So the whole, it has to change, and the scene change.
So
Like
who is it difficult to have a conversation with? You know, was it your mom or was that the leader of Gurukul?
Very good question. I think definitely the mom.
Okay.
You know, because I think no, there is no two different sides of her. Honestly,
Okay.
it's mostly the same. I think the mother side comes only when jab wo, you know, like the mother-daughter aspect comes. But
Okay.
even as a mom, when she's talking about the
Yeah.
school, I don't think there is any difference between Vasudha ma'am as a leader versus Vasudha Kapoor as a mother.
Okay.
I think she maybe more things come out, you know, but it's good because
Yeah.
then that sort of gives us a chance to really sort of deliberate, and we have our fights ki, you know,
Okay.
aisa hona chahiye, aisa
हाँ.
hona chahiye, and things like that. And so we really like fight like cats and dogs, and you know, then we sort of come
We
back
do
to
that.
normalcy. That, you know, this is how it's supposed to go forward. At home, like not even just the two of us. I
Yeah.
think just all four of us in that sense, we will have our full debates going on. We
Okay.
will be sitting in the office till 6.
Yeah.
And there'll be no difference between how we are sitting like in school during
Okay.
working hours versus us
At home, yeah.
like, you know, trying to brainstorm for things. There'll be no difference. There'll be debates, there'll be heated discussions, there'll be fights, there'll be crying, there'll full drama, like movie going on. But then like the
Exactly.
next day when you go into the school, then things are like calm and plain water.
All
Exactly.
sorted.
All sorted. Like we know what to do.
Exactly.
What is the direction?
exactly. So likewise for me also, you know, since she has been totally looking at how
Yeah,
things have been
yeah.
brought up earlier, so I never find it very difficult or something. Yes, mindset shift. So I do, you know, respect that.
Okay.
As generations change, I cannot be, you know, stuck up to
Yeah,
what ना वो भीड़े का ज़माना that मेरा वाला time वो नहीं है. We should change that, and I do respect her decisions that, you know, now people think like this. We should bring in this perspective. So we do deliberate on it and understand, yes, this would really work. So from having, I believe, experience and a fresh perspective of knowledge which one has gained right there,
Right.
and creating a beautiful blend out of it is, I believe, will take Gurukul forward by leaps and bounds with her coming into picture as not only a daughter but a beautiful human being who has joined in to understand the real essence, having picked up like only तो साबुन फिसल जाता है जैसे चला गया पता ही लगा, तो ऐसे ही लगा. It's so nice and grateful and full of gratitude for that. This was all meant to happen.
Very well said. Moving to our this small round, which is unmute the truth round.
Okay.
So here you don't have to think for the answer; it has to be instinctive.
Impromptu.
Yeah, and no
Okay.
filters at all.
I don't think we've kept filters anyways also.
So that people tell that you fight like sisters, you fight like God knows mother, and immediately, no, after she will keep
No,
quiet.
everyone in the family, they say that, you know, it doesn't feel like your mother-daughter. Like we fight literally like sisters, you know, गाड़ी में कभी भी, whether we are going on a trip or whether we are going.
फिर one will look the other side, one will look the other side,
Recently only.
and ना धीरे धीरे will come. Acha, I said, okay, I'm not
the
taking
first
you.
person, by the way.
And she will come in. Sometimes I also do. You are unmute. The truth is automatically coming out that way. But yes. So we will have no filters.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, we'll start with ma'am first. So, ma'am, something you've never actually said to each other, but you felt for a very long time. You want to say on this platform?
That Gurukul was always meant for her to take forward one. That she means the most to me. No filters.
वो तो I know.
She means the most. Sometimes you say ना no भाई and this one and that one. नहीं झूठ बोल रहे हो, ये नहीं ऐसा है. वो वाला गाना है ना, जीती हूँ मैं तुम्हें देख के.
हाँ.
Whether she realizes or not, but that is the truth.
And you, Kamakshi?
What is it that I have not told you? I think the biggest thing would be that I think whether she believes it or not, she is my role model, whether it's personal or professional.
Right.
I have always looked up to her, and I think it will be the same way. And secondly, mommy the bestest.
My mommy bestest, I'll remember. And when you will do something, I will share this. My mommy bestest.
I've always
Please,
say.
or otherwise I'll hold a placard and say here, hello, hello.
This is for Kamakshi. So, a moment where you are genuinely proud of ma'am and you've never said that to her.
I think I always say it. I always say it, but I think a moment that I've always been very proud. I think anytime she receives an award, like recently I had accompanied, so ma'am had done her, I think, ambassadors from ISB. So she'd gotten her degree.
Right.
So I felt so proud of her, and I think I have mentioned it also to ma'am. And anytime sort of I'm making her profile or something, you know, and I sort of recollect, and if I go into her office specifically with all her accolades over there and everything, I think I'm the proudest daughter on the planet.
And to your point, no, she likes what is something that you like to tell her. So she's so open, and like when she doesn't speak to me, I said, oh my God, what has happened?
Something has
So
happened.
something which comes about and she quickly shares,
Yeah.
whether personal, professional,
Haan.
wherever, whatever, proud moments, dull moments,
Haan.
anything for that matter. So that is a beautiful, I believe, the threads of love that we share. That's wonderful on her part. Yes.
Okay, outside of the school and outside of work and all the other roles that you play, what is one word that describes what you are to each other? Out of the roles. I mean,
Crazy and
I think like friend, probably.
friends and sisters who fight their hearts and lungs out.
Yeah, I think so, because
That we will never do in a professional place.
I
And
mean, I do share everything with her, like whether it's personal, anything,
Right.
whether it's a small
Same
fight
here,
with
same
a
here,
friend,
same
or
here.
and mostly with her,
Likewise.
because it's like if like acha papa ne phone uthaya, so like mama ko do,
Haan.
you know, like I want to speak with her. So anything. So I think friend and sister probably,
okay. So this has to be shared without any explanation, just a name. Who is the most stubborn?
take it. Taken.
Unanimous decision.
Taken.
I think if those big pointers, that would also point to answer.
No, stubborn. It is okay, stubborn. She said, I also agreed. A point has to be taken,
No explanation.
No explanation. That is why I stopped. Cut.
Okay, what is something about this school that you've outgrown, a belief or a way of doing things, but you haven't said that out loud?
I think respecting elders, like that is something which is really sort of engraved into us in the school, and I would never believe it or so, but then I think it was so ingrained in me. Now of course I've sort of come forward, but I think that still instinctively is like ingrained that, you know, no matter what, तो वो आप ही निकलेगा, वो नमस्कार अब नमस्कार ही निकलेगा, you know, so instinctively that thing comes. So I think probably just the respect
Part of this. Great. Okay, so what is something that she does at work or in a classroom or in a meeting maybe that secretly impresses you every single time, even if you never admit that?
Confidence. Confidence to the hilt, and the way and clarity.
Okay.
So both the C's is confidence and clarity, the way she conducts, again a sea, is something I feel, you know, silently I observe, and I feel so good about it that sometimes it is tears roll down my eyes when I see holding the complete meeting in a conference room. So confidence, the way she conducts herself, yes. And more than that is clarity. I've always told everyone, she has a clear thing across that this is what has to be. Many things will keep, you know, darting in between, but she has that. But the people also see it and really like it, because of the clarity to that clarity when it goes. Is silently I have told her, because there is nothing, no silence exists between us. Something I did and I say, oh, very well conducted, that was the confidence, that was the clarity, great, good job done, wonderful. So silence, I don't believe the silence,
No
anything.
silence. If she's in the room, there will be no silence. That's true. Hopefully that remains.
Yeah. Okay, so is there a quality, a habit, or a way of thinking, or maybe speaking that you've slowly and without realizing borrowed from each other? We'll start with you.
Like a quality I borrowed from her.
Yeah.
Probably talking. I'll tell you why. Because I was very like shy as a kid.
Okay.
And in fact, my teachers would tell me that my report card was that I am a very nice child. I'm a very like A's in everything.
Okay.
But she's very reserved. But I don't know what happened in grade 11th and 12th. Then teachers started calling me Miss Chatterbox. They had to change my seat. And they had to, you know, but उनका होता था कि मैं जिसके साथ भी कमाशी को बैठा दूँ, she will never stop talking. So I think that is something I've slowly taken probably from her. Yeah.
And for you, ma'am?
You know, I silently take from her, sitting at this juncture, at that juncture of life, the clarity that she has.
Okay.
And वो होता ना ठहराव at this stage, the maturity. Is that also I take it at this, I learn that and I try to incorporate that. So one is हिंदी में बोलूँगी because ठहराव ना बहुत ही powerful word है, and the clarity that I take from her.
Can I add to my answer? That was more of a funny answer, but if I have to be like a more serious answer, then I think it will probably be the vision. So that is something I always really sort of look up to, that, you know, with the way she, even like the most, like not just the fact that she opened up the school, but the smallest of things, with you know, like the precision and like वो होता है ना, like in this case the stubbornness कि अगर मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए तो मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए, like no like compromises in that quality. So I think that is something I really like want to learn, and you know how to sort of like that aura, like she enters the room and like people stand up like
there is one more hat.
So I think that is, I've always told her also that I don't know how she does it. It's like just the walk, like if she enters the school, you will know that the director has entered the school, because it's just the aura that like the tuck tuck tuck, you know?
Into the corridors.
Like everyone will learn, everyone's like alert. Like I wish I have that. Like I really want to have that. That, you know, if I'm entering the room, people should have that sort of a thing, that oh, you know, she's entered. Like make your presence felt without even talking. That, yes. I finally came back to the answer.
THANKYOU.
Okay, so this was all about this round. One last question from both of you, and before we end up. So, you know, years from now, the school which you've built is going to Touchwood stay for a long time. So, what is the legacy that you want to build, and people should talk after those many years about the school? What do you...
The Bharatiya knowledge systems, truly Indian, stand Indian, again, breathe, eat, not only Gurukul, but the Indian values and the Indian traditions that have lost over a period of time. That is a legacy I feel, you know, whatever little years are now left in my life, to just devote there, contribute, research on my own, become a better version of myself, thereby again contributing to people, to make them understand what a great country we belong to, what great people have been born here, and we are so lucky that we are a part of it, where people are not realizing this. Younger generation especially, you know, losing their essence. The millennials have come in, the Gen Z have come in, and an alpha, beta, theta generation will come in. Where is the generation that is there who have worked hard? So that is where the rest of my years would be contributing to this particular specific area of education, which is real knowledge now, to make people feel proud. As it is, vision of Gurukul is to make it a temple of learning, a heritage site of knowledge, a monument to which people will come back to after years of its existence, is where we have started working all over again. हम रहे ना रहे ना, गुरुकुल रहेगा, गुरुकुल के साथ उसका इतिहास भी रहेगा, और गुरुकुल के साथ उसकी जुड़ने वाली जितनी यादें थी जो उसने इस देश को दिया, वो भी रहेगा, और ले जाने वाले कौन? आप और आप.
You want to add something to
अब
it?
इसके आगे मैं क्या ही बोलूँ?
नहीं,
This
your
generation
own
has to
take
take
on
on
it.
No,
the
but I
legacy
think,
that you have to take forward.
Yeah.
I think, of course, the vision and the ethos only says in itself that, you know, we would want to make it a heritage site of
Yeah.
knowledge where, you know, children do want to come
Right.
back. But of course, like, take that legacy on, that sort of the sankalp, जिसे हम कहते हैं, so that sankalp on. And I think the fact that if a child is sort of passing out of Gurukul and they enter back those gates, they should not forget those values, they should not forget the learnings that they have learned in school. So I think if we're like, probably not like 100%, but even if like 50% of those
50%
children
yeah.
are able to carry the true values that the school wants to give, I think we would consider ourselves to be successful, because I think that is a legacy we would want to create, that, you know, you should be known as a Gurukulite. I think that just speaks a lot about
Yes, that's the legacy to be taken forward. And there are some promises that I believe we have, you know, made internally, that when you know, out in public, when you share something and you make that notions, then you feel too much more committed with everything that you have shared.
Yeah.
That day is today. So भारतीय नॉलेज सिस्टम्स को सबसे आगे लेके जाना है. मेरा भारत महान, समटाइम्स यू नो दे मेक फन ऑफ मी, समटाइम्स दे ऑल.
स्कूल में तो मैं भी कहने लग गई हूँ, मेरा भारत महान, like
मेरा भारत महान था, है और रहेगा. These are the philosophies we work on. ना कई लोग बहुत बार मजाक उड़ाते हैं ऐसे, ओके स्टैंड बिहाइंड द सीन्स, लेट इट बी, बट यही है. जैसे मैंने बताया ना, जर्मन सीखना है, फ्रेंच सीखना है, हम कहते हैं ऑनलाइन संस्कृत क्लासेस आ गई ना, आप देखिएगा कितना फ़र्क आता है इसमें. इसके बाद थोड़े सालों का पेशेंस रखिए और देखिए जो हमारा अस्तित्व है ना, कितना महान है, उसमें कितना कुछ है, कितनी गहराई है उसके अंदर. हमने शायद हम नहीं देखते और हम भूल जाते हैं कि हम क्या हैं. यही तो नॉलेज है, ज्ञान वही है जो खुद अंदर झांक के देखिए. यही गुरुकुल ने देना और ये लेगेसी ये आगे ले.
That was an amazing conversation
Thank you.
with both of you. Thank you for coming on Unmute.
Thank you so much, and we feel privileged
We are honored, ma'am, to
be
have
here
both
on
of you
Unmute.
here on- I want to take a moment before we close, because what happened in this conversation today, I don't think words do full justice to it. A mother who built with intention, a daughter who returned with her own perspective, and somewhere in between a relationship that evolved from guidance to partnership. To every woman listening who has a vision she has been sitting on, this episode is your sign. Go for it. And guys, this was Unmute, where we don't just hear stories, we understand them. And I'll see you in the next one.